thirsty. So, you'll ask for a glass of milk.
It's not for a glass of milk.
Asks for a glass of milk. He's gonna want a cookie to go with it. Oh no! So we all know what happens when you give a mouse a cookie. Let's see what happens when you give LeVar another cookie. I didn't want to do that. Sometimes it seems like the ball has a mind of its own.